Do you feel lost when tracking orders or asking for refunds in English? In this video, you'll learn clear, polite English to handle it confidently.
English for Online Shopping and Payments, Episode 13, Part 3.
Let's start with a very common situation, tracking your online order.
Scenario Module 1, Tracking Orders, Core Lesson.
Instruction only, no stories.
Many learners say, "Where my order? Order not come." Unclear and confusing.
Correct and natural tracking English. Use these clear phrases instead. Number 1, where is my order? Number 2, I'd like to track my order. Number 3, has my order been shipped? Number 4, what is the delivery status? Number 5, my order is delayed.
Model examples. I'd like to track my order. Has my order been shipped? My order is delayed.
Grammar insight, built in. Notice the tense. With, has my order been shipped? This is present perfect, used for recent actions.
Micro practice. Tracking. Say this aloud. Where is my order? I'd like to track my order.
Transition to next scenario. Now let's move to another important situation, refunds and cancellations.
Scenario Module 2. Refunds and cancellations. Common learner mistake.
Learners often say, give my money, cancel order now. Too direct.
Polite and correct refund English.
Use these instead. Number 1, I'd like to request a refund. Number 2, can I cancel my order? Number 3, my order hasn't arrived yet. Number 4, when will I receive my refund? Number 5, the item was not as described.
Model examples. I'd like to request a refund. Can I cancel my order? When will I receive my refund?
Grammar insight, built in. Polite requests use I'd like to, can I? This keeps English calm and professional.
Micro practice. Refunds. Repeat. I'd like to request a refund. Can I cancel my order?
Yellow segment, summary and review. Let's review the most important phrases from today. I'd like to track my order. Has my order been shipped? My order is delayed. I'd like to request a refund. When will I receive my refund? Say any 3 aloud now.
Green segment. Dedicated speaking practice. Interactive. Answer out loud. 1. Your order is late. What do you say? 2. You want your money back. What do you say politely? Pause. Speak clearly. No translation.
Excellent work! You can now handle online shopping English with confidence. Like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Next episode, Episode 14, English at Work, Meetings, Emails, and Daily Office English. Covered in Episode 13, Ordering and Delivery, Payments and Errors, Tracking and Refunds.